This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Are you looking for small businesses you can actually start in 2025 with very little money? The truth is, many people are turning simple products into steady income, and you don't need a big setup to do the same. Some of these ideas cost less than a new pair of sneakers, yet they can bring in hundreds or even thousands every month. In this video, I'll share 25 beginner-friendly business ideas you can start right away, explain how much they cost, and show how people are growing them into profitable side hustles. Watch till the end so you don't miss the best ones. And before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ideas. Number 20. Watches. Affordable watches with a luxury look are always in demand. A bulk order costs around $600, and each unit can sell for about $20, leaving more than 50% profit. Selling just 100 pieces a month can bring $2,000 in revenue. Adding your own logo or packaging makes them look branded, and lifestyle photos on Instagram help attract buyers. Classic styles like leather straps or minimalist styles stay popular year after year, making this a reliable business idea. Number 19. Eco-kitchenware. Plastic waste is a global issue, and people are now paying extra for sustainable alternatives. That's why eco-kitchenware like bamboo spoons, reusable straws, and cutlery sets are selling fast. Startup cost is only $200 to $500, and each set can sell for $10 to $30. Monthly profit can easily reach $800 to $2,400. Bundling multiple items into kits makes your offer more attractive, and marketing at local eco fairs or through green lifestyle groups online builds steady sales. Number 18. Notebooks. Some products never go out of style, and notebooks are one of them. Students, writers, and teachers constantly buy journals, especially when they look unique. With just $100 to $300 in startup cost, you can design handmade or custom notebooks and sell them for $5 to $10 each. Monthly earnings often cross $500. Adding leather covers, minimalist art, or personalized initials helps you stand out. Selling on Etsy, Instagram shops, or even at local bookstores can quickly bring in loyal buyers. Number 17. Car fresheners. Think about how often people get into their cars, and most want them smelling good. That simple habit makes car fresheners a strong business. A $100 starter kit is enough to begin, and each freshener sells for around $5. Hitting just 200 sales a month means $1,000 in income. Offering bundle packs with multiple scents boosts profit. Partnering with local car washes, auto shops, or promoting through Facebook Marketplace gets you consistent customers. Number 16. Desk organizers. Remote work has created a new demand: organized and aesthetic desks. With $100 to $300, you can make organizers from wood, resin, or even 3D printing. These sell for $20 to $50 each, and monthly income ranges from $1,200 to $3,000. Buyers love clean, functional designs. Expanding later into customized or engraved versions can add even more profit. Promote through LinkedIn ads, co-working groups, or partnerships with office supply stores. Number 15. Press-on nails. Not everyone has time or budget for salon visits, and that's why press-on nails are exploding in popularity. For only $100, you can start creating nail sets at home. Each sells for $15, and selling 80 to 100 sets monthly can earn $1,200 to $1,500. Wedding and party-themed designs sell especially well. Posting tutorials on TikTok or Instagram Reels attracts attention, while collaborating with local beauty shops gives you offline sales too. Number 14. Epoxy craft. One of the most creative small businesses right now is epoxy resin craft. People love custom coasters, trays, and jewelry that feel handmade and unique. Startup cost is $100 to $200, and molds can be reused again and again. Selling just 20 to 30 pieces weekly can bring $1,200 per month. Short videos showing the resin pouring process always go viral on social platforms. Your main buyers are gift shoppers, home decor lovers, and boutique stores looking for unique inventory. Number 13. Custom bottles. Every event needs a personal touch, and customized bottles have become the go-to choice for gifts, weddings, and corporate giveaways. With a heat press or print-on-demand setup costing $200 to $500, you can get started quickly. Selling prices range from $5 to $15, and making $1,000 or more monthly is realistic. Strong packaging ensures bottles arrive safely, while TikTok clips showing the printing process attract curious buyers. Number 12. Fitness gear. The fitness industry never slows down. It's worth billions worldwide. That means products like yoga mats, gloves, and resistance bands always have demand. Startup costs are around $500, and items sell for $15 to $50 each. This can generate $1,500 to $5,000 monthly. Partnering with small gyms, micro-influencers, or selling through Amazon helps reach health-conscious customers, while quality products lead to repeat buyers. Number 11. Hair accessories. Sometimes the simplest products make the strongest businesses. Hair accessories like scrunchies, clips, and headbands require just $50 to $150 to begin. Each sells for $3 to $5, often with profit margins up to 70%. Monthly income can reach $500. Eye-catching fabric choices and comfort-focused designs make customers return. Instagram tutorials and TikTok styling videos are the best way to drive consistent traffic. Number 10. Gift boxes. Special occasions are endless. Birthdays, holidays, corporate events, and curated gift boxes are becoming the trend. Startup cost is around $200 to $400, while boxes can sell for $30 to $100 each. Some sellers easily cross $4,000 monthly. The secret is in presentation. Handwritten notes, creative packaging, and strong unboxing experiences keep customers coming back. Seasonal events like Valentine's Day or Christmas give sales a massive boost. Number 9. Minimal jewelry. Trends come and go, but simple jewelry never fades. Beaded bracelets, wire earrings, or minimalist pendants require $100 to $300 to start. Each piece sells for $5 to $15, which adds up to about $1,000 monthly. Following current design trends like geometric shapes or minimal gold tones makes your items stand out. Eco-friendly packaging, such as recycled boxes, also makes your brand look more premium and trustworthy. Number 8. Pet items. Pet owners don't hold back when it comes to spoiling their furry friends. That's why accessories like bandanas, beds, and leashes are always in demand. Startup costs average $300, with items selling for $10 to $20 each. Monthly profit can reach $1,500. Safety is key. Using non-toxic fabrics builds trust with pet lovers. Pinterest boards and Instagram pet groups are powerful ways to showcase your products and attract loyal buyers. Number 7. Scented candles. Nothing changes the mood of a home faster than a good fragrance, and that's why scented candles are booming. With $100 to $300 in starting costs for soy wax, wicks, and oils, you can begin at home. Each candle sells for $10 to $15, bringing in $1,000 monthly. Unique scent blends and eco-friendly branding create loyal buyers. Instagram reels showing the pouring process or booths at local fairs give this business strong visibility. Number 6. Decor pillows. Interior design trends come and go, but cushions and pillows remain in every household. Startup costs are around $300, and each pillow sells for $10 to $15. Making $1,000 monthly is very possible. Lifestyle photos on Instagram or partnerships with errand hosts and interior designers keep orders flowing. Using durable fabrics also helps reduce complaints and boost customer satisfaction. Number 5. Wall prints. Here's one of the easiest digital businesses you can start: wall prints. With tools like Canva or Illustrator, you can design printable art for almost no upfront cost. Digital copies sell for $2, while printed versions go for $15 to $20. Many sellers earn $1,500 monthly from theme sets alone. A clean online portfolio and targeted ads on Instagram or Pinterest make your designs look polished and irresistible. Number 4. Handmade soaps. People are becoming more health conscious, and natural soap is their new favorite. A small setup costs $100 to $300, using ingredients like honey, oatmeal, or lavender. Each bar sells for $3, and you can earn up to $600 monthly. Sharing short tutorials on TikTok or selling at farmers markets and fairs helps you build trust quickly. Eco-conscious buyers love handmade blends over factory soaps. Number 3. Essential oils. This one is quietly making sellers a lot of money, but most beginners don't realize how powerful it is. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus have steady demand in wellness markets. Startup cost is about $300, and bottles sell for around $10. That means $1,000 monthly is within reach. Bundling oils by theme, like relaxation or focus, increases value. Marketing through yoga studios, natural shops, and Instagram wellness influencers brings long-term customers. Number 2. Lip balm kits. Lip care is one of those daily use items that people keep buying again and again. Starting with beeswax, oils, and molds costs about $200. Each kit sells for $15 to $30, and monthly profit can exceed $2,000. Clear instructions make customers happy, while adding custom flavors or premium packaging creates even more value. Beauty influencers and TikTok tutorials help your products spread fast. Number 1. Phone cases. Almost everyone owns a smartphone, and that makes custom phone cases one of the safest businesses to start. With just $150 to $300 for a small heat press or print-on-demand setup, you're ready to go. Cases often sell for $15 to $20, and earning $1,500 monthly is very realistic. Focusing on trending models and showcasing unique designs through Instagram or TikTok Reels helps you stand out. Customers love personalization, so offering names, logos, or creative artwork makes your cases even more valuable. So, these were 25 small businesses you can start in 2025 with very little investment. Some of them can even be launched in a single weekend, and the income potential is bigger than most people expect. Which one caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more ideas that can help you grow. See you in the next one.